How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Snapchat friends. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap on the chat icon on your bottom left. Here it will show you a list of all your friends. So here's the thing. Snapchat won't really allows you to hide your friend, but here is what you can do that is equivalent to hiding your friends. Long tap onto the friends that you would like to hide and tap on Manage Friendship. From here, you can either edit their display name or remove them as your friend. If you are having concerns about other people viewing your friends list, then you don't need to worry about that. You cannot see anybody else's friends list unless you somehow managed to get their login information and log in into their Snapchat yourself. So unless that's the thing, you are good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.